Oh, I'm looking hateful today. I tell you what, I have been sick for almost a week. So, it's been awful. And I just can't even describe how I felt. I felt terrible. It started off as just some achiness that came on right away. My nose started burning. I just started feeling awful, like all of a sudden. And I have wanted nothing but some comfort food since then. I wanted some homemade chicken noodle soup. My dogs are over there playing, but I was too weak to get up and make it. So today I finally feel like making it. I'm not as sick as I was, thank goodness. I'm not hurting all over, but I'm still not 100%. That sucks when you get sick, especially when your livelihood is taking care of people. Just don't do you any good to get sick. But today I'm making some homemade chicken noodle soup, and I am going to film the recipe for you guys because I know that you're gonna like it. I love it, and I know that you're gonna like it as well. Daisy is over there being Daisy. She got out and rolled in something last night. I don't know what it was, but she smelled literally like a horse's ass. I'm not kidding you. Not that I've ever been that close to a horse to smell its ass, but she smelled pretty bad. I can imagine that's what a horse's ass smelled like. So she was not getting back in my bed until she was clean. So she got a bath. Roscoe was scared to death this morning. He thought he was going to get one too, but he didn't. If my husband would have been home, he'd have bathed both of them. But Olivia bathed him, so I bathed her. And now she's just prancing around and they're over there playing. But I'm going to get some of my vegetables cut up for my chicken noodle soup. So I think you guys are really going to like this recipe. Going through a Christmas list. Olivia's super excited. They did start playing Christmas music on November the 1st. I'm telling you, we were both almost in tears. I mean, I know I was. I love Christmas music. I love Christmas itself. So Olivia was just telling me some things that she wants for Christmas, and she decided that she wanted a what? A hamper. What, her mouth's full. Give her just a second. A hamper. She wants a hamper, not a hamster. You heard it right, a hamper for Christmas. So I don't know really what's going on with that, but alright guys, look at my broth for my chicken noodle soup. Doesn't that look amazing? I just put my chicken in there. As you can see, there's a bay leaf, there's a sprig of thyme, and my camera is cockeyed. Look at that, carrots and onions and celery and all kinds of goodness. I am so super excited about this. We're having club sandwiches with this today. It is Taco Tuesday. But I let them decide today what they wanted. My husband said it didn't matter. And I said, what you don't have today, you're going to have tomorrow. So we're going to do, I think we might do tacos tomorrow. But she was wanting my chip beef and gravy. If you have not tried that, I think that is on here as well. That is absolutely amazing, especially if you like breakfast for dinner. It's not really a breakfast meal, but it kind of puts you in the mind of a breakfast food because it's got it's gravy that goes over biscuits or toast or whatever, but it's absolutely amazing. When I make mine, I make mashed potatoes and corn and like a dinner out of it. I don't do breakfast. Look at that. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it back on to boil, and then I'm going to add my noodles in there. And then, like I said, I'm going to make us some, what am I making us? Club sandwiches We're gonna have club sandwiches with ours. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Yummy. So I'm gonna fry some bacon. I always fry a little bit extra because everybody likes to nibble on bacon, you know what I'm saying? So I've got some tomatoes and onions, and I'm gonna cut some lettuce up, and I bought some turkey and some ham. So I'm gonna get this bacon fried up. I'm gonna turn this on and put my noodles in it. I've like tasted this a million times. You know what? I'm gonna taste it again. I have to make sure that it's perfect. I left that bay leaf in there too because so give it some. Look at that. Look at the broth of that. Can you see that? Taste it. Mmm. Girl, where's your spoon rest? It's over there. That eye is hot. Look at my soup, my friends, and my bacon, and my hungry dog, and my hungry dog, my other hungry dog, my other hungry dog.